In this class, we will discuss some more addition polymers. Now, one of the polymer is natural rubber. Natural rubber whose monomer is isoprene. It is its common name. What is isoprene? It is 2-methyl buta-1,3-diene, which means at 1 and 3 position double bond is there, and at second position methyl is there. It is 2-methyl buta-1,3-diene. You know the IUPAC names? Fine. In the class 11th and 10th, you know, if you still feel any difficulty in IUPAC, then please message me. Now, it is isoprene. It has Z configuration, which means I will tell you later on. We take N molecules of isoprene in the presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst. What is Ziegler-Natta catalyst? It is in 1 mark. This question came in 2017 paper. What is Ziegler-Natta catalyst? It is the catalyst used in generally addition polymerization, and the formula for Ziegler-Natta catalyst is triethyl aluminium plus titanium tetrachloride. This is the same catalyst which we were using in making high density polyethylene. Fine. High density polyethylene, also this catalyst is used. It undergoes polymerization process to form Z configuration. See, Z means, you know, the cis and trans. So trans is your Z configuration. Fine. It is natural rubber. Its monomer is isoprene, which is 2-methyl buta-1,3-diene. It undergoes polymerization in the presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst, and it forms Z configuration polymer, which is cis form. Sorry. Okay. Now it is used in making shoes. Rubber, you know. It is used in making waterproof coats. It is also used in making golf balls. Till now, is there any doubt? Please let me know. Message me if it is clear. Any doubt till now? Or if it is clear, give me thumbs up. Is it clear to you all? Ayush, okay, fine, thumbs up. Okay. Ma'am, once Buna N. Okay. Buna N. N means one monomer is same, 1,3-butadiene, and another one is acrylonitrile. Simple. CH2 double bond CHCl. We have discussed in PAN. It is one of the monomer of PAN. Acrylene, orlone, acrylonitrile. It is used in making storage tanks. Buna is used in making storage tanks and oil seals. Okay. Buna N is used in making storage tank and oil seals. Now is it clear? Who messaged me? Okay, now is it clear? Okay. Everyone switch on your videos, please. Your videos should be on during the lecture. Now it is all about addition polymers. Next, I will take condensation polymer. Message me what is condensation polymers. Message me what is condensation polymer. Next is your condensation polymers. First, I am taking nylon 6,6. First, I am taking nylon 6,6. It is one of the condensation polymer. Now, what is nylon 6,6? Its monomer are adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. Now you tell me, is this homopolymer or copolymer? Message me. It is copolymer because it is made up of two different type of monomers, and also it is condensation polymer. You remember the definition of condensation polymer? Yeah, condensation polymer are those polymers which are formed with the elimination of small molecules. Like in this COOH, this is adipic acid. It reacts with hexamethylene diamine. Now, how this reaction occurs? In this, CONH bond will form. It is polyamide. Now, see how it will form. What is the formula of water? It is H2O. I am removing this. Suppose it is like this, HH plus. I am removing this water molecule. See, I am removing this water molecule, and what it will form? COO, CH2, 4, CONH, CH2, 6, NH. I am taking N molecule of adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. It undergo polymerization at around 553 Kelvin temperature and at high pressure. It will undergo polymerization to form nylon 6,6. Now, sometimes this question came, what do you mean by this 6,6? This number represents the number of carbon atom present in the monomeric unit. If you will see adipic acid, it is having 6 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you will see second monomeric unit, it is hexamethylene diamine. It is also having 6 carbon atom in its monomeric unit. So this number represents the number of carbon atom present in monomeric unit. This question came in CBSE exam, board papers. This question came once. Okay, what do you mean? What this number represent? So it represents the number of carbon atoms present in any monomeric unit. It is condensation polymer. It is formed by the elimination of water molecule in it, and it is having polyamide linkages. It is having amide linkage. This is CONH is your amide linkage. Now it is used in making brushes. Brush bristles are of nylon 6,6. It is also used in making sheets, carpets, etc. Till then, is there any doubt? Then please let me know. Which is nylon 6. Now, please tell me what this 6 signifies. First, it is made up of one monomer in which number of carbon atoms are 6. So it is homopolymer and it undergoes condensation polymerization reaction to form nylon 6. Nylon 6 monomer is caprolactam. And Its common name is Perlon. Its monomer is caprolactam. Monomer is Perlon. Now, caprolactam is first heated with water to form 6-amino hexanoic acid. First is heated with water to form 6-amino hexanoic acid. Now it is also having 6 carbon atom. So it will be like this. One, two, three, four, 5 and 6. First it undergo, it heated with water to form 6-amino hexanoic acid. CH2, 5, COOOH. First, it is caprolactam is heated with water to form 6-amino caproic acid, or also known as 6-amino hexanoic acid. Now see the carbon atom. It is 6. Fine. That's why here nylon 6 is written. And earlier we have discussed nylon 6,6. Okay, Anish, please tell me what are the monomeric units of nylon 6,6? So be attentive in the class. So it will form nylon 6. It will again undergo polymerization reaction. Here the water molecule will remove like in the previous one, and it will form this is nylon 6. N means number of monomeric units. Now where the nylon 6 where we are using? It is used in making fabrics and ropes. It is used in making fabrics and ropes. Okay. Now it is all about polyamides. Next, I will taking into consideration polyesters. Polyester means diacids, which means carboxylic acids, and diols, which means alcohols are present. So first polyester I am taking into consideration is terylene. On this, so many times question came. Also known as Decren. Normally the question came from its common name. What is terylene? It is Decren. It is copolymer, which means it is made up of two different types of monomers. That is, one is terephthalic acid plus ethylene glycol. Terephthalic acid is 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. Terephthalic acid is 1,4-dicarboxylic acid, and ethylene glycol is this. It is made up of two different type of monomers. It undergoes polymerization reaction in the presence of zinc diacetate, antimony oxide to form Decran, also known as terylene. And it is used for making safety helmets. It is used for making safety helmets, and it also blended with wool to make it more, to increase their resistance to wear and tear. It is also blended with cotton and wool to make it resistant to wear and tear. Now, Richa, please tell me what is the monomer of nylon 6? Glyptal. It is also polyester. Next is your glyptal. Next is yours glyptal. Its monomer is glycerol. Glycerol and phthalic anhydride. It is also copolymer. It is phthalic anhydride. Or you will write like this. It is phthalic anhydride and glycerol. They combine to form glyptal. Okay, it is one of the polyester. Now, it is very rigid, used to make enamels. Enamels means related to paints, dentures. If somebody's tooth will broke, they will make dentures. Dentures is made up of the material which is glyptal or lacquers or paints. Now, up to glyptal we have discussed. Rest other we will discuss in the next class.